You're watching Blowout TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Hollywood actress Bukunmi Oluwasina has just got herself a role of an ambassador with another clothing line few days back after she bagged a clothing company endorsement deal. To the fantastic actress, it has been a good year so far in terms of award, recognition and endorsements. Sharing the development revealed in Happiness on her Instagram page, the actress says she does not know where to start as she is overwhelmed by the grace and favour of God. Shortly before the month comes to an end, Bukunmi Oluwasina prayed for her fans to encounter positive things. Her colleagues in the entertainment industry also congratulated her. Popular Yoruba comic actor Olaniyi Afonja, also known as Sanyeri, has taken to his Instagram page to wow his fans when he shared photos of him looking dashing. Due to the role he usually plays in movies, Sanyeri is fond of putting on native wears and Ankara in most of his pictures. Sharing the photos, the actor wrote, "This caught the eyes of Odunlade, Ijebu, Femi Adebayo, Adekola, Ankara Gushi and other actors and actresses who followed him up on Instagram," said to his post. Record as Sanyeri revealed how he met and married his wife, Awa Odunalara, back in 2012.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.